In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate floating window. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to hit special function. Now you need to click on Lightning multi-window at the top left corner and tap on this switcher next to Lightning multi-window to enable this feature. Then you need to scroll all the way down and click on Walk Me Through to learn more about it. Now hit try it and follow all of the instructions on your screen. First of all, try swiping up with 3 fingers. Then tap the window for easier control with one hand. Tap this icon over here to enable floating window, and X icon at the top right corner to go back. When you finished, hit exit, or if you wish to learn it a little better or you don't remember all steps, just hit try again and do exactly the same. So now when I open one of my apps, swipe up with 3 fingers. I can click on Walk Me Through again or Start Now. Then I need to click on this window at the top right corner and use my app in it. To use it in full screen view, click on this first icon on the right. To go back to tiny one, click on the second one, and to close it, tap on X icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!